Hi Stampers, this is Sarah with Stinkincutecards.com, and I have the 1st of November's Take 3 cards from our class this week. And the first card that we are going to be doing, this is the little Birds of a Feather card that we did, the little Thanksgiving. I'm using the Birds of the Feather stamp set as well as the barn door. The reason I'm choosing the barn door is because I had to give thanks on the outside, and I needed something, I didn't want something too mushy gushy for the inside because it's a cute turkey with a cute little apron on. But so I wanted something a little more less mushy gushy, and so I have may your troubles be less, your blessings be more, nothing but happiness come through your door. I thought that was quite apropos for Thanksgiving. So this is just a real sweet one. So I'll show you how quickly this goes together. Let's see here. This is the packet of supplies. I chose Early Espresso as our color this month, and so let's get this Early Espresso, Bermuda Bay, and Terracotta Tile as the colors that we were using as our featured colors this month. Our Early Espresso is a featured color, and this time I chose the Terracotta Tile and Bermuda Bay to go with this one. So this is some of the in color paper, and we're doing a little fun fold with this one. And let's stamp our turkey here on the front using the Memento ink. I just thought he was pretty cute. So let's get him stamped here. All right, and then we will watercolor that, but let's go ahead and stamp the inside here right away. I just thought that those sayings were kind of cute. Alrighty. And on our, all right, and then let's add our designer paper here on the side. Layer that to the Bermuda Bay on the inside. All right, now I have, this one is actually a little fun fold. So what it is this little flap opens up and goes that direction. So let's add our, I'm going to use the triple banner punch. And notice this one is 1.5 inches or 1.25 inches, so it's not going to fit in a groove. I went, oops, let's try opening it up. Good gravy. All right, and slide that right in there. All right, and then we're going to do the same thing with this one. And we'll attach that to the front. Okay, now this piece I am going to put that on the inside of my card, and it's going to flap around to the outside. So the reason I'm doing that, let's get that straight. Okay, the reason I'm doing that is because once I cover that with our inside layer, it distracts or disguises most of that extra piece, and you can't even tell that that's there. How cute is that? Stinking cute. All right, let's add the give thanks. I'm gonna wrap that with some of the terracotta tile ribbon, and let's add our turkey. We are going to use the blends on this, and I have several different colors that I'm choosing to use. I am using the petal pink for the pie, as well the petal pink and calypso for the tail feathers. We are using soft suede light and dark for the body. We are using light Bermuda Bay and the dark pool party for the apron. Using the light mango melody for the beak and legs, and I think I've got the light dark for the hat, the pilgrim hat. All right, using crumb cake, we're going to add our pie crust. Okay. All right, let's put the dimensionals on our turkey. I'm gonna put the lid on that so we don't have a mess here. I'm taking the top off. Attach that to the early espresso scallop layer. Add some more dimensionals. All right. Let's add that to the top there, top center. Once we wrap our card with ribbon, we have got a really stinking cute little card inside, outside, and the first of your November's Take 3. If you'd like some more information about my Take 3 classes and some online options, please visit my website at www.stinkincutecards.com. Thanks.